Boys and girls, please write your first name, last name, and date at the bottom of your Scholastic News. The tough seeds. In the book, The Bad Seed, a seed acts really badly. He's mean, grouchy, and tough. That book is fiction. In real life, seeds aren't bad, but they can be tough. Being tough helps them survive. Coconut seed shell, burdock seed case, impatiens seed pod. The tough seeds. Some seeds have super tough parts. Being tough helps them grow. As you read, think about how the seed's tough parts help them. A tough shell. A coconut is one big seed. It grows high in a tree. Then it falls to the sand below. Boink! It doesn't break. Its thick green shell protects it. Ocean waves wash over the sand. They pick up the coconut and take it out to sea. The coconut's hard shell keeps seawater from getting into the seed. The coconut washes up on a beach. A root grows out and the coconut becomes a new tree. That hard shell helped it survive its long trip to its new home. Tough spikes. Burdock seeds grow inside a spiky case called a burr. The burr is covered in pointy hooks. It looks like a porcupine. A cow brushes up against the burr. The burr hooks onto the cow's hair. Gotcha! Now the burr can get a ride from the cow. The cow walks around with the burr on its hair. The burr falls off in a new place. It cracks open and the seed falls into the soil. Now they can grow. Boom! Tough exploding seeds. The last plant is tough in a shocking way. It explodes. That means it blows up. Impatiens seeds grow in a green seed pod. When something touches the seed pod, the pod explodes. The seeds go flying in all directions. Now each seed has the room it needs to grow into a new plant. These 3 plants have amazing seeds. They are hard to crack. They're spiky and they blow up. They might just be the world's toughest seeds. By Blair Rainsford. This coconut is on its way to a new beach. Safe travels, coconut. This cow doesn't know it, but it's going to help new burdock plants grow. Impatient plants are also called touch-me-nots. Can you guess why?
ground.
Coconut life cycle. Read about the life cycle of a coconut, then answer the questions. 1. Seed. A coconut is a big seed inside a tough shell. It grows in a coconut palm tree. When it is ripe, it falls to the ground. Number 2. Sprout. The ocean takes the seed to a new beach. It dries out, it turns brown. A sprout grows from the top. A root grows from the bottom. 3. Tree. The sprout grows into a tree. Coconut palm trees can be up to 100 feet tall. After about 7 years, they start making seeds. Question 1. Where do coconuts grow? On a tree, on a bush, or in the ocean? Look back to see where a coconut grows. On a tree, on a bush, or in the ocean. What color does a coconut turn when it dries out? Does it turn white, green, or brown? Look back up to the life cycle to find out what color a coconut turns when it dries out. Question 3. How long does it take before a coconut palm starts making seeds? About 7 days, about 7 years, or about 10 years? Look back to find out how long a coconut palm takes to make seeds. 7 days, 7 years, or 10 years? Question 4. Which one happens after the seed grows a root? The seed falls to the ground. The sprout grows into a tree. The seed turns green. Look back at the life cycle. What happens after the seed grows a root? The seed falls to the ground. The sprout grows into a tree, or the seed turns green. What do you call a coconut that goes into space? A coconut.
Seeds on the go. A handful of tiny seeds. Did you know they can grow and grow and grow into big tall plants? But wait a minute. Before a seed can grow, it needs a few things. A seed needs water. A seed needs heat from the sun. A seed also needs a good spot to grow. It's hard for plants to grow if they are too crowded together. So, seeds spread out. How do they get to new places? Some seeds blow. Dandelion seeds blow in the wind like parachutes. Other seeds spin. When maple tree seeds fall off a tree, they spin like the propeller of a helicopter. That carries them far away from the maple tree. Some seeds float in the water to get to new places. Did you know a coconut is one big seed? It falls from a palm tree into the ocean. Then it floats like a boat on the water. When it gets to a new beach, it can sprout into a tree. Other seeds ride on animals. This prickly ball is called a burr. It has seeds inside and tiny hooks on the outside. The hooks grab onto an animal's fur. The bird goes wherever the animal goes. Sooner or later, the animal scratches off the bird. Now the seeds inside the bird can grow in a new place. And there are some seeds that use an explosion to travel. This is an impatiens flower. It grows its seeds inside pods. When someone or something touches the pod explodes. That sends seeds all over. All of these seeds can travel a long way. Once they get to a new home, they can start to grow.
Boys and girls, you're going to practice your opinion writing. Please write your first name, last name, and date on this top line. First, you're going to think of what your opinion is. Think about the tough seeds you read about. Now we're going to write which one you think is the toughest. Follow the steps below and draw a picture of the seed at the end. Step 1, you're going to write the introduction. Tell what your opinion is. That means use a full sentence. My opinion is the toughest seed is the... Step 2, give at least 3 reasons to support your opinion. Your reasons should share why you think the seed you chose is the toughest. Reason 1, reason 2, and on the back, reason 3. Why is it the toughest? Then step 3, write your conclusion. Sum up your writing, remind your reader what your opinion is. That's when you restate your opinion. And that is why I thought the coconut seed is the toughest, or something like that. And then at the end, you're going to draw a picture of the seed you chose.